Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using this photo frame from Dollar Tree, this ornament from Walmart, and Garland from Dollar Tree. I started by taking the frame and that photo part in the center, just twisting it back and forth until it popped off. Next I took the garland and cut a large strip of it and wrapped it around that circle frame. Once it was covered, I just went around and trimmed up all the garland until it was a nice shape that I liked. After it was trimmed, I took white acrylic paint and I used a toothbrush to apply it. I put minimal paint on the toothbrush and brushed it on the garland until I had it nice and filled in, just giving it a nice flocked look. I took these fairy lights that I get from Amazon and wrapped it around all of the garland. Next, I take this ornament I got from Walmart and hot glue it to the remaining part of the center of that frame. And then the last thing I do is hot glue the battery pack to the back of the ornament. And I might go back and get another ornament of the same shape and hot glue it to the other side so you can use it both ways. But that is it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.